Okay, Ji, today I have conducted substitution in class 5C and we have discussed about Microsoft product, and because I'm teaching Microsoft Excel to my students, so Microsoft product Excel, we can do Word, using Microsoft Excel we can do calculation, like we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and this subject is linked with maths as well. And after that in calculation, Microsoft Excel we can find the average function, sum function, max function, min function, and even there are many more functions. Even we can go for the count function as well if condition. And now look here, here's the checkpoint. What is function? A predefined formulas. These are the example of the function. Sum function helps you to calculate total, max find maximum value or number, main function will help you to calculate minimum value from the selected range. Okay, now what we have here, with the help of Microsoft product, Microsoft Excel, we can create, here it is create, we can create tables, we can create comparison between, okay, comparison between, we can create between subjects, between people achievements, and do between learners result. Okay, then what else we can do with Microsoft Excel? We can calculate, we can do perform any mathematical operation. And now here we have what? Here is food for neuron. Google developed Android operating system, and the mobile real life application of Android application is mobile phone and tablet. Okay, Ji. Here we are. Okay. Thank you very much.